Hi, this is Karen from Florida Realty Investments. I'm at 1229 Kennedy Road in Daytona Beach, and we're going to look at this corner one-bedroom unit number 62. Very nice open floor plan. A little echoey because we're empty right now. You've got, as you first come in, you've got a nice big deep coat closet here, so you get some extra storage. We've got all tile floors in this unit. Where it is an end unit, you have some extra windows. But this that kind of an almond color cabinets with your imitation wood block counters. We've got a lot of nice cabinet space, top and bottom. Electric stove. So a lot of different ways you can arrange furniture or a dining area in here. And you go in the hallway. On the right we've got the bathroom. So a newer tub shower enclosure and toilet. Nice vanity. Also have another linen closet here. So more good storage space. This is all like a pale gray. Then you've got your air handler and your hot water here. So that's real easy to get into to change your filters. Your circuit breaker panels right there. And then you've got big bedroom, and this is ready to go, except for I've got one closet door that needs to be put back on the track. But so you've got a double closet in this room, and they're deep. I'm not going to open this one so the door doesn't fall, but you can see you've got one whole wall that's just all closet space. So very nice, spacious. Nice and bright with that pale gray and the white trim. Of course, now I'm getting the sunlight through the window, but I think you get the idea. So again, this is a one-bedroom unit 62. It is on the second floor, and this is at 1229 Kennedy Road in Daytona Beach, Florida. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000. Thank you.